guess you were right. The blue bonnets are worth the drive, and now I'm here in Canyon Lake alone.
Okay then, Kimmy Russ Adventures, we're out on the road, aren't we? And it's after dark. Kim's back there.
It's 10 to 6 actually.
It's 10 to 6, yeah, and darkness has been bestowed upon us.
It is.
Yes. We're going for a short little cruise over to Burnie, aren't we?
Yeah, about 20k away.
Yep, for the nightlife.
Nightlife. Love it. It's still got an RSL there.
No, well, we'll go over and get some tea, eh? What do you reckon? It's not very often we go out of a night on the bikes, is it?
He's taking me out to tea.
Well, I'm taking her out to tea on the bikes.
I don't think we've ridden these bikes in the dark before.
Oh, I don't know if we have or not. Oh, I have home from work and everything all the time.
Yeah, not me.
Yeah, but you don't get to ride in the dark, do you, with it?
No.
The big town of Wynyard all lit up.
Another biker out at night.
He's getting takeaway too.
Well, we didn't say what we were getting for tea. Russ wants Asian, but I said he's not allowed.
No, not allowed to have Asian. I don't know why not.
It's not often we go out after dark.
No, we're normally at home drinking.
Yeah. It's a bit cool out.
No, it's pretty good. It's 14 degrees on my bike.
Well, that's wrong.
No, it was 13 degrees when we left home. So, well, I suppose it's 1 degree wrong. It's nice night, actually.
So we got up this morning about 9:30 and got our bike gear on, ready to roll. We got that on, we walked out the front door, fucking started raining.
Didn't even get to the fucking front door. Pack it up, let's go to Bunnings, I said.
Yeah, changed our clothes, went to Bunnings.
Bit of a crosswind there, isn't there?
It was.
It's supposed to get rough in the next couple of days.
We'll have to get a bit of fog off for our visors.
Don't breathe, you'll be right.
Okay, I'll hold my breath.
Yeah. Just watch out, you'll be coming up to a pothole, so get to the left a bit.
They filled it in.
Oh, yeah.
Just missed it. Unless there's another one up here.
So there's Kim on a Harley.
Hi!
They probably can't see you.
Probably not. If I had one of those high-vis vests, they would be able to see me.
Oh no, you're shining fairly well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember when I had your motorbike jacket on when we were camping and the headlights came and I lit up like a skeleton?
Fucking know you did.
It's scary being in front with a big truck coming at you.
Why? It's no different than daytime.
No, but I've got you to hide behind.
Oh yeah, I'm going to stop a big truck, aren't I? Roll on daylight savings.
Yeah. We'll be on the mainland. Can't you keep up? You look a long way away.
Oh, fucking oath, I'm only about 2 bike lengths behind you.
These mirrors are deceiving.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, I'm only 2 bike lengths behind you, I reckon.
Well, a bit windy there.
Yeah. Like I said, it's going to get rough the next few days. Bit of wind coming around the helmet, the guys can probably hear it.
I haven't seen any other mad people out on their bikes this time.
That's a bike.
It's saying that. Holding us steady at 100 k's in the 200k wind.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
You're only doing 80 around there.
Prove it.
They're looking at me dash.
But the sign said 80, I can't do 100.
Coming through this Somerset, not many lights about, is there, babe?
Won't be as many until you get to Burnie. A lot of lights coming at us.
Yeah.
Lights has fogged up a bit.
Crack it like I have.
Yeah, I have. I've got it up now. I think it's actually dirt, not fog. I should have cleaned it. I went to use the Vuplex the other day, but it was frozen.
Yeah. You're on about 74, 75.
We're excusable, us Harleys.
No, you're not.
Yeah, we are. It's a beautiful night.
It is. We'll leave the Harley for dead.
I see Kimmy Russ Adventures at youtube.com. You need glow-in-the-dark ones.
Yeah. Yeah.
Put a back patch on. Our little northwest looks a lot different at night time, doesn't it?
It does, yes. You probably can't see the beach on the camera there at the moment, but there she is over to the left there. Everything looks totally different, doesn't it, of a night?
Yep.
I've been out with some women like that, they look totally different in the dark. Fuck hell, you wake up the next morning, you want to fucking chew your arm off to get away. No, it's true, mate.
Idiot. Yeah, you don't know what you're bringing home in the dark.
Oh, no.
Oh, dear.
Even fucking grog doesn't help either. That just adds to the darkness.
Yeah. That's how you got me, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah. Beer goggles.
Yeah. And you've had to continue to wear them.
Yeah.
Now, if we were cruising the mainland at this time of the night, we'd be stopping there at that Ocean View Motel. I wouldn't be going any further.
I won't be stopping there. We're not close enough to a bottle shop.
There's a lot more wildlife on the road over there. So Russell's going to go through the drive-thru at Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yeah, no, that's it. That's what's going to happen.
Yep.
Well, maybe not. Maybe I'll park it and get off and go in. They probably wouldn't serve me.
I don't know. Actually, I heard someone say that there was a guy and he's got a dog on the back of his bike. He goes through the drive-thru.
Does he?
Yeah.
Oh, the big township of Cooey.
Yeah.
All the car yards, eh?
Yeah.
How come Pizza Hut's not open? It's up for lease. They're closed down.
There's a bike shop there.
Yeah. Pizza Hut closed down.
Sorry,
Yeah.
no.
It's got a big
Yeah.
lease, full lease on there.
Oh, no. Well, not that we used to have it anyway. I've eaten their crappy old pizzas.
Well, that settles that. We're not having pizza tonight, are we? Unless we have Domino's.
Yeah. We weren't having pizza anyway.
No, that's true.
But lucky we weren't. It's probably one of those Indonesian ships out there coming to pick our wood chips up.
Wood chips or the logs?
Oh, probably, yeah, I don't know.
One of the two, probably.
Yeah.
Okay, we're coming up to Burnie, aren't we, babe?
Burnie City.
We might take you for a cruise around the streets in Burnie.
Nightlife, here we come.
Oh, on a
no.
Monday night.
I was about to say.
Yeah.
I don't think there'll be many people rocking out tonight.
Nah.
Well, this is about the time we'll be boarding the ship come November.
No. We don't go till 9 o'clock.
Oh, well,
Yeah, it's a 9 o'clock sailing.
right.
Yep.
It's not going to look any different though. It'll probably just be
It'll be darker.
black as is.
Yeah. That That's shimmery, isn't it? That building of a night with all the lights.
The Maker's Workshop.
That is, if anyone can see it.
Yeah.
Those lights over to the left there is the port of Burnie. We'll take you around that way in a sec. There's all the football boys there, babe.
Where?
Running along the track there.
Oh, I missed them. It's alright. I can do replay on the camera.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie chicken. Rightio, this is Burnie by night, isn't it, babe?
Burnie by night. We'll get into the hub of town in a minute.
Yeah, we go around the, had a romantic dinner there one night. That's where I proposed to you, wasn't it?
Yeah,
The Raindrops restaurant. Oh, well, I didn't propose there. It was up in the room, wasn't it?
it was. Lots of nice smells of a night. Everyone's having
Something
nice...
neat.
Yeah.
There's the port there.
It's where one of the bikers come off here on this corner when they did that.
The Rebels, was it, or what? Or the
they
Comancheros? I'm not sure now.
They had some charity run, I think it was.
Right, we'll go down the next one. No, we won't. Look, there's some more footballers here for you, babe.
Oh, he's lit up, isn't he?
Oh, no, they're a bit fit for you.
Too fit for me.
Oh, no, it's just, they're not footballers, them
No,
ones,
I
babe.
reckon it's a gym class, maybe.
Yeah.
Gee, a lot of people get out running overnight, don't they?
I don't know fucking why.
No, I don't see the sense in it. Oh, that's the Baltimore restaurant down there,
It is.
which is an old train carriage, isn't it?
Oh,
Or-
no, the old train station.
Oh, right. There's the hub of town there, Centrelink.
Yes. We'll go up around this way.
Follow that policeman.
Up the main street.
That is the police station just over there on the right.
That big building, yes. If he's turning, we're right.
Yeah, I was going to say, let's hope he is.
Not much going on in Burnie, is there?
No. This is a very quiet street, this one, though.
Well, this is the main street.
No, this top part here, there's nothing here. No shops or restaurants.
Yeah, it is a Monday night too.
That looks pretty of a night, doesn't it?
Oh, very pretty.
Should be happening around near Kmart, I reckon.
Around near Kmart.
Yeah.
Right, we'll go up around there then.
That's where all the shit goes down, up around there.
It's about the only thing that'd be open still is Kmart and Coles.
Yeah.
Yep, it is. Let's stop this light. We'll hang a right here.
Tidy righty.
Yep, tidy righty.
We're doing blockies. Courthouse straight ahead.
As you can see, Burnie don't look much different of a night. It's still dead.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go down and get some tea, I think. What do you reckon?
We've had a tour of the city.
Yeah, there's only a few streets to it, isn't there, babe?
Not like you It's a lot of nice restaurants and other places, but we'll just go with what we're accustomed to. There's the boys.
There's the boys running, babe.
Oh, they're too fit for me.
Yeah, you'd never catch them.
No. I'd be lucky to catch one of those little waddling penguins.
Yeah. So we can park in there, babe. Oh yeah, plenty of room here, but
But the Ambo's following me.
okay. This is our night cruise, isn't it, babe?
It is.
And this is KFC, so we're going to hop off the bikes here. We're going to go in. You watch out that fucking thing don't hit you. That Ambo, at least he can take you away.
It's a patient transport, I think.
Yeah,
He hasn't got much room there.
don't worry about it.
I'm okay, I'm in my
Yep,
line.
he's just trying to get a big vehicle in a small spot. Well, anyway, that's it for Kimmy Russ Adventures night cruise, isn't it, babe?
It is.
Hey? We will sign off here.
He's probably thinking I could have moved over a bit. But
Oh, fuck him. He's the one trying to get in there.
that's right, I was here first.
Just stupid.
The blue bonnets are worth the drive, and now I'm here in Canyon Lake